I think this is gonna have to be the last one, Mo. I'm gonna pull the plug on your behalf. I'm gonna pull the plug on your behalf. This is we've had a very EV related episode, which is good, which is good and fine, because a lot of stuff happening there. This is the Lucid Air Sapphire beating the Tesla Plaid Bugatti Chiron in in a quarter-mile drag race, and they put together a beautiful video at Haggerty. There's an amazing moment here, and I don't want to give away the whole video. I mean, obviously it says in the headline who won. I don't know if it's a world record or something. This Sapphire vehicle just smashed. This thing is...
What's the Sapphire?
Is that Lucid?
Lucid just came out with it. It's like this very high performance version of what they were doing.
Okay.
1,200 horsepower. Otherwise, it's basically the same. Tons of traction and 5,400 pounds. It's a four-door car. I mean, it's like the Model S. It's competitive with the Model S.
I'm not really familiar with Lucid. Can you buy this? Can you buy that right now?
Yeah. You can order it. You can order
the Sapphire?
Yeah, you can order it. It costs you $1 billion. Well, not $1 billion, but...
Sure, it's very expensive. This is a performance model.
Go forward, play a little bit once they start. After they start, a little bit further forward. Yeah, play from there.
Look at the chapters on this
Play. Just hit play now. Okay, there you go. And...
Seems like the Model S is winning.
No, this is the real one here. Now,
wow. Tesla seems to be falling behind here.
Yeah, but it only goes to that line, to where those pylons were. You're just doing a quarter mile.
Got it. So
obviously the Bugatti's going to catch them if you get enough runway. Okay? It keeps going, right? Yeah. But what's really cool here is they kind of freeze the results. It's just the way that they execute it. I really want you to go watch it, and that's why I'm not trying to show the video here.
Yeah.
But they freeze it right at the end, and you're able to see... They went back from... I'm of course thinking about the production. They went back. They did the race, then they went back, aligned the cars in the exact locations they were in when the first car crossed, and then they cut that in...
Oh my God.
As a freeze, and the guy just walks out.
Like a reenactment?
Maybe he's just got to play the clip. Maybe he can play that portion. But the thing is, he's scrubbing around here. He doesn't know what the hell's going on. And,
maybe you can tell him where it
is. Is it here? I didn't watch this, so I'm not
sure. It
is really beautifully shot.
They got the golden hour going on there.
Yeah. And look at this.
Yeah, it's like the Matrix. Like they slowed down different segments and...
Whoa.
But... It's the coolest. It's earlier in the video. And he should be standing beside the Lucid.
Oh, here?
No, go even earlier. Yeah, somewhere around here. Anyway, he emerges and the cars are in their exact location. Yeah, I guess they are right there. And you can just see how slim these gaps are. Like the fringe of engineering that we're on here. To try to improve things ever so slightly. So it got off the line. Yeah, see how they're moving slowly, but he's standing there? Those are composited. Like, it's 2 frames. See that? He obviously wasn't standing there. Yeah. There's all kinds of little Easter eggs like that in the video that if you appreciate video production, you go watch it. You can see all the work that went into a simple drag race.
Wow, I'm definitely going to watch this.
Yeah, and it's not long. I mean, it's 10 minutes, so... Go check it out, but anyway, this 1,200 horsepower Air Sapphire is the new champ and just absolutely smashing 0 to 60 in 2 seconds, just over 2 seconds, and it did the quarter mile in 9.1 seconds.
Wow!
And I will tell you the price of it right now because it's going to get a lot of hits today because of this video going out. All of a sudden, everybody's going to be like, how do I buy Sapphire in Canadian dollars, $327,500. And in order to reserve one, they will want a cool $32,500 now.
Wow. Just get your spot in line.
And you want to know how you secure $32,000? You go hook up with Haggerty and you slow the frames down and you make it Matrix mode, and everybody's like, damn, I think I want one of those.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. But it's a fraction of a difference, I mean, in reality, but it's the stuff that pushes things, push the industry, you know? Elon's got to watch that now, and maybe he might have to put his Twitter keyboard down, head back to Fremont or wherever it might be, and say, or maybe he's going to go straight to the Autobahn and figure this one out. Nürburgring, something like that. Thank you very much to everybody joining us here today. Thank you very much to Mo for coming back on the show. To Will for giving us yet another cliffhanger, which we've come to expect at this point in time. He's been dragging this car thing on now.
I can't
like
believe
it's a piece of it's a piece of his identity that's gonna go and be gone forever once he finally speaks on it.
We'll figure it out.
In the next episode, we're gonna find out all about it, and Mo is also gonna give us a comprehensive breakdown of what kept him away for the last 6 months. Don't miss it. Next time on Lou Later. Thank you very much. Later, everybody.
All right, I actually got a jet.
Same.